In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp to manage a personal home Reno construction. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable place to plan your renovation, track progress, and stay on top of deadlines without feeling overwhelmed. Start by opening your ClickUp account. If you're new, creating one only takes a moment, and once you're in, you'll land inside your workspace. Think of your workspace as the overall home base for everything you manage. For a renovation, we want a dedicated area that keeps all the moving parts organized and easy to find. Click the plus icon to create a new space. A space is a high-level container for a big project, so it's perfect for your home Reno. Enter Home Renovation as the name, then click Create Space. This gives you a clear, separate zone where everything related to your construction lives, from planning to punch list. Once the space is added, open it. Look for the three dots menu and choose List. A list is where you'll group related tasks. Give your list a clear name that reflects what it holds. Maybe kitchen remodel, bathroom update, or whole house. Then click Create List. Naming things clearly now saves you hunting later and helps everyone understand what belongs where at a glance. Now it's time to add tasks. Click to add tasks for each thing you need to track. Think demolition, order flooring, electrical rough-in, paint living room, schedule inspection. Write task names that start with a verb and make the action obvious. Inside each task, add any notes or links you'll want handy, like product pages, measurements, or contractor reminders. A little detail up front cuts down on last-minute scrambling and keeps everything in one place. When you're ready to visualize progress, switch to board view. This shows your tasks as cards you can organize by status. Use statuses to reflect your real workflow. Planning, in progress, waiting on materials, and done are common for renovations. Seeing tasks move across the board gives you a quick snapshot of what's on track and what needs attention. Be sure to set due dates on your tasks. Due dates create a realistic timeline, help you line up deliveries and appointments, and make it easier to avoid bottlenecks. If you're coordinating with lead times, build in a small buffer so surprises don't derail your schedule. From here, feel free to explore and customize. Tweak statuses, adjust colors, or add fields to capture details that matter to you, like room, budget notes, or vendor. With your space list, tasks, board view, and due dates in place, you now have a single, organized hub to manage your personal home renovation from start to finish.